Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show how to allow automatic emoji replacement on the Telegram app for PC using the latest update. If you've ever typed something like a smiley and wished Telegram would instantly turn it into a real emoji, this setting is exactly what you need. Let's get started. First, open your Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings properly. Once you're on the main screen, look at the top left corner. You'll see three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it. This will open the side menu where you can access different sections of the app. From here, click on Settings. This is where Telegram lets you customize your experience, including how chats and messages behave. After entering Settings, find and select Chat Settings. This section controls everything related to how your messages look and function. Now, scroll through the options until you find Replace Emoji Automatically. Once you see it, simply toggle the option on, and that's it. From now on, whenever you type certain text combinations like a colon and a parenthesis, Telegram will automatically convert them into emojis.